The 2025 Honda Odyssey's rear entertainment system boasts several key features designed for passenger enjoyment. It includes a 10.2-inch high-definition touchscreen that supports up to 1080p resolution, replacing the older 8-inch screen. You can play Blu-ray discs directly via the built-in player. There's an HDMI port for connecting devices like gaming consoles or laptops. Additionally, the system offers wireless screen mirroring via Android Auto Wireless or Apple CarPlay. The system runs on Honda's latest infotainment platform, which supports over-the-air updates for ongoing improvements and feature enhancements. The system is standard on EX and above trims. As of October 2025, no major recalls or issues have been reported, ensuring a reliable entertainment experience. To use the Blu-ray player, simply insert a disc into the rear console slot. The system auto-detects and starts playback. For HDMI connectivity, plug your device into the rear HDMI port. The system mirrors content either wirelessly or via cable, automatically scaling it to fit the 10.2-inch screen. Enable HDMI CEC for easier control from the rear touchscreen. For wireless screen mirroring, use Android's Cast or Apple's AirPlay by connecting via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi Direct. You can activate screen mirroring through the infotainment menu by selecting Mirror Device. Remember to set up the connection while the vehicle is stationary to comply with safety laws. The system supports 4K resolution for compatible devices, enhancing your viewing experience. Audio can be outputted via the rear speakers or wireless headphones.